Zombie apocalypse.
Binance is one of those exchange markets where you can buy different altcoins. It's probably one of the best out there right now, at least at the moment where I am recording this course. So in this first lesson, I'm going to show you how to set up your account. The first thing that you're going to have to do is register. So click on your register and then follow all the process. Once you register, you will have to send them some information so that they can verify your account. For example, send your driver license or some other information like that so that they know that the account is yours. It's a normal process. I know that sometimes it doesn't feel that comfortable to share that personal information, but that's how things work. So once you send that information, it'll probably take like a day for them to verify your account. And one thing that you should definitely do is enable the Google Authenticator or the SMS authentication method. You can do either one of these. And what it does is it gives you more security, extra security, so that when you access your Binance account, Binance will send you an SMS to your phone and you have to introduce those 6 digits before being able to access your Binance account. If you use Google Authenticator, you will have to download the app in your phone, and that app will give you a 6-digit number that you change every 10 seconds, and you will have to introduce those 6 digits in Binance before being able to access your account. So it's basically like a double password. Either way, one of these is definitely something that you should do. And then you have the anti-phishing code. Definitely advisable to also do this. If you're wondering why I haven't done it, it's just because this is not my real account. It's an account that I created to be able to record this course, although I might end up using this account in the future, I don't know. But what this does is that every time that Binance sends you an email, it will include this anti-phishing code, an anti-phishing code that you create. So that way you know that that email that you're receiving is truly from Binance and not from some other, fake email that is trying to get your information. Okay, so that is basically all you need to know for setting up your account on Binance.